Hello, dear students. Welcome you all. Our topic for today is IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. Hope you all were very familiar with IDBI Bank. So here in this video, we will discuss about the history and role of IDBI in industrial financing. It was established under Financial Development Bank of India Act in 1964 as a development financial institution. It continued as a development financial institution for 40 years till 2004 when it was transformed into a bank. It was established in 1964 as a central coordinating agency, as a leader of all development banks, as a principal financial institution, as a wholly owned subsidiary of Reserve Bank of India, as an apex body of all development banks in the nation, and it was delinked from RBI in 1976. In 2004, a new company in the name of IDBI Limited, Industrial Development Bank of India Limited, was incorporated as a banking company, and the business of IDBI was transformed to IDBI Limited. Then in 2008, the name IDBI Limited was changed to IDBI Bank. IDBI Bank Limited. By 2019, LIC, Life Insurance Corporation, acquired 51% or majority of stake in IDBI Bank Limited. And in 2019 itself, IDBI Bank Limited was recategorized as a private sector bank. RBI recategorized IDBI Bank as a private sector bank in 2019. Then IDBI Group. IDBI Bank is a pioneer institution in nation building. To cater its ever-expanding needs, it has formed subsidiaries and joint ventures. The major subsidiaries are IDBI Capital Markets and Securities Limited, IDBI Intake Limited, IDBI Asset Management Limited or IDBI Mutual, IDBI Trusteeship Services Limited, IDBI Federal Life Insurance Company Limited, and IDBI Mutual Fund Trustee Company Limited. Then functions of IDBI. The IDBI has rightly been designated as the apex organization in the field of development banking. Its major functions are to coordinate the operation of institutions lending term finance to industries, to provides direct finance and refinance of industrial loans. It extends supports to national and state level financial institutions and intermediaries, services like equipment leasing, bridge loans. It provides merchant banking services, provides technical and administrative assistance to industrial concerns. It guarantees loans from other institutions to promote and develop key industries, to undertake techno-economic studies and surveys, and it provides assistance to small-scale industries. All these are the major functions of Industrial Development Bank of India Limited. Then there is a question to you. The SIDBI was established. SIDBI means Small Industrial Development Bank of India. Was established on April 2nd, 1990 by Government of India as a wholly owned subsidiary of Dash. You want to fill it up. It was delinked with effect from. So you want to find this answer and post the answer in our Google Classroom by mentioning your roll number. Okay. All these are about IDBI Limited. IDBI, Industrial Development Bank of India. Okay, thank you. Thank you all.